Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics chapter 13, New Syllabus Mathematics D3 for A-level, O-level students, and practice now 5, question number 1. There is a circle with center O in which POS is the diameter and PR is the chord, and angle OPR is 28 degree, and we have to find angle SOR and angle PQR. These two angles we have to find. So we will suppose the angle SOR is X, and we have to find the value of X, and angle PQR, and suppose that angle is Y. So we have to find the value of X and Y. Students, keep in mind that if you think and ignore line P, Q and QR, then angle SPR will be the circumangle of major arc, and angle SOR is central angle of minor arc. So circumangle is half of the central angle. Again students, I am repeating, if you ignore line P, Q and QR, suppose these two lines are not drawn, and then angle SPR is the circumangle of major arc, whereas angle SOR is the central angle of minor arc. And in the very first lecture I have explained that the central angle is double of circumangle, or circumangle is half of central angle. So X will be 2 of 28 degree. So students, for finding out angle SOR, which is given the name as X, we will write X is equal to, first we will write that central angle is equal to double of circumangle. Now students, central angle is S angle, SOR is central angle, and circumangle is SPR, and we will take twice of angle SPR. As SPR is the circumangle and SOR is central angle. So we have to find the value of angle SOR, and it is given the name as X. So X will be equal to 2 into, and angle SPR is of 28 degree. So here I will write 28 degree, and now multiply 28 with 2 and we will have 56 degree, and it is the value of angle SOR. Now students, we have to find the value of angle Y. For finding out angle Y, if we ignore line PR, suppose there is no line PR, as well as OS is not drawn, then this angle PQR will be the circumangle, and reflex angle POR will be the central angle, and angle POR is equal to 180 plus X degree. So first I will write angle POR, reflex angle POR is equal to 180 degree plus X, because POS is a straight line. So this angle will be of 180 degree, and this angle X will be included to find the reflex angle POR, and it will become 180 degree plus 56 degree, and we will have 226 degree. Now students, reflex angle POR is the central angle of major arc, and angle PQR is the circumangle, and as we have used this previous formula, we have used central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. So same formula will be applied here. Central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. So central angle is reflex angle POR is equal to twice of angle PQR. Now students, we will put the values. The value of angle, reflex angle POR is 226 degree, and 2 is multiplying on right side. When I transfer it to the side, it will divide, and here angle PQR is given the name as Y. So Y is equal to 226 over 2, and now we will divide 226 with 2, and the value of angle PQR or angle Y will be 113 degree is equal to Y, or Y is equal to 113 degree, and angle Y is angle PQR, and we have find out the value of angle PQR, that is 113 degree. Students, question number 2 of practice number 5 is, there is a circle with center O and angle B is 35 degree, and we have to find angle X and angle Y. So students, first of all, you have to ignore line AC and BC, and we will just discuss triangle OAB, in which OB and OA both are congruent because radii of same circle. So angle B will be equal to angle OAB because it is an isosceles triangle, and then we will apply the formula sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and then we will find the value of X. So first of all, we will discuss in triangle OAB. OA is congruent to or equal to OB. Reason is radii of same circle. So angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA, and students, angle OBA is of 35 degree. So angle OAB is also 35 degree. Now we will apply the formula sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle O plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 degree, and angle O mean angle X plus angle OAB is 35 degree plus angle OBA is given, that is also 35 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Now students, 35 plus 35 means 70. So X plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree, and the value of X will be 180 degree minus 70 degree, and the value of X is 110 degree. Now students, angle X is central angle of this arc AB, and angle ACB is the circumangle of this major arc. Again I am repeating that angle AOB is the central angle of this minor arc, and angle ACB is the circumangle of major arc. So central angle is equal to twice of circumangle. Now it is written central angle is equal to twice of circumangle, and central angle is angle AOB, angle AOB is central angle and circumangle is angle ACB. Now students, we have found out the value of angle AOB, that is 110 degree, and 2 is multiplying on right side. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide, is equal to, and angle ACB is angle Y. So in a place of angle ACB we will write Y. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry and 2 5s are 10. So the value of Y is 55 degree. So students, the value of X is 110 degree and the value of Y is 55 degree. So we have found out both the unknown angles in this question. Students, question number 3 of practice number 5 is, there is a circle with center O and ABN is a straight line and angle CBN is equal to 73 degree, and we have to find obtuse angle AOC. Students, this angle is obtuse angle AOC and this angle is reflex angle of angle AOC. So if you are asked to find the reflex angle AOC, then we have to find this exterior angle, and if you are asked to find the obtuse angle AOC, then we have to find this angle. Now we have to find the value of X. So students, first we will find the value of angle CBA. Sum of angles CBA and CBN will be 180 degree because ABN is a straight line. So first we will find this angle CBA. We can name it as angle A. First we will find the value of angle A, and angle A will be the half of angle O, that is exterior angle O. We can name it as angle 1. So angle A is half of the exterior, the central angle, that is angle 1, and then we will sum angle 1 and angle X, and that will be the 360 degree. So first we will find the value of angle A. So students, angle A plus 73 degree is equal to 180 degree, and reason is supplementary angles, or you can say that ABN is a straight line and both the angles are at point B. So angle CBN and angle CBA is equal to 180 degree. Now 73 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So the value of angle A will be 180 degree minus 73 degree. Now subtract 73 from 180 and we will have 107 degree, and it is the value of angle A. Now students, reflex angle AOC, reflex angle AOC is equal to twice of circumangle, that is ABC, twice of angle ABC. Now students, AOC, reflex angle AOC will be 2 into angle ABC, that is given the name as A, is 107 degree. So it is 214 degree is this reflex angle AOC. Now students, reflex angle AOC plus obtuse angle AOC is equal to 360 degree because it is a complete rotation, and we have found out the reflex angle, that is 214 degree. So in place of reflex angle AOC we will put 214 degree, and the obtuse angle, that is X, we have to find is equal to 360 degree. Students, 214 degree is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So the value of X will become 360 degree minus 214 degree. Now subtract 214 from 360, subtract 4 from 10 and we will have 6, 1 from 5 and that is 4, and students 2 from 1 that is 2 from 3 that is 1. So the value of x is 146 degree and that is the answer of this question. Now students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.